Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because that's where iOS keeps device names. Open Settings and tap Bluetooth. Once done, find the accessory under My Devices, connected or not, because you can rename even previously paired items. If the device isn't listed, make sure it's discoverable and pair it now. Pairing makes the name editable in most cases. This step prepares iOS to accept a new label, and it prevents confusion later when now tap the small info icon to the right of the device entry. That opens device details, where name is the field you change. Tap name, then select the text field and type your new label. Use clear, short terms so you recognize it quickly. Once finished, hit done on the keyboard or tap outside the field to save. This updates how your iPhone displays the accessory, which makes pairing and selecting it faster going forward. After saving the new name, verify it shows in the Bluetooth list and in Control Center when connected. This confirms the change synced locally. If the name doesn't update right away, toggle Bluetooth off and on or restart your iPhone. That often forces a refresh. If problems persist, forget the device in Bluetooth settings and repair it. Repairing writes the chosen name cleanly. This last step resolves stubborn cached names and ensures other devices see the updated label.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.